Hey everyone, I'm still in the Philippines and found another day hike to take on a Saturday. This one's called Mount Batolusong in the Rizal province, not too far from here in Metro Manila, and had a great time. A little bit tougher is probably close to 3,000 feet of vertical. We started in the darkness at about 4 a.m. on the hike, so I actually left this apartment at midnight to get in the van and take the drive. But it was great. It's a great hike, and just the locals and the local culture and all that was really fun and really interesting. A spider web. Ah. Baby spider.
Bumalik na siya. Ay, hindi na kaya. Medyo may part po na madulas. Natatagalan akong bumuelo.
Some daylight. Just me and the guide waiting for the rest of them. There we go. It's just a hill. The views are stunning. The sea of clouds. There ended up being three peaks that we hit along this hike up the mountain the whole time. I ended up doing my obligatory pull-ups, and then after we hit that first little peak, found a trail dog, and just the coolest dog, but very dirty, and had a great time with him during most of the hike. Halfway up the mountain, there's a family that lives in a small hut, and they got some chickens, and they sell a little bit of food, and for 10 pesos let you use the toilet there. That's the kid collecting 10 pesos. And little chickens running around. It's kind of a cool place, but this family lives in that little tiny building way up the side of the mountain. Still with me, trail dog. Go, bud. Go. All right. I think I might need the rope. A couple pieces of this. It's just a scramble, but I'm not going to be able to film as I go up. Oh well. It was a fairly easy scramble. Didn't need the rope at all, but I did need both my hands. There's the rest of my group. They're somewhere down there in the jungle. It's me and the guide. So I had an interesting experience on the way down. Instead of going down on that blue rope where we scrambled up, they wanted to kind of go around the cliff, around the edge, on the backside, and then get back to the trail. And on my way down, while trying to get my footing, I grabbed a pretty big tree branch and it snapped and off I went. Now I felt like Hans Gruber in Die Hard going off the edge of that mountain. Fortunately, a large bush caught me and I came out without a scratch on me, so that was good. So the whole thing was touted as not just a hike, but a tree planting experience. And they didn't say anything about it when we started the hike. We didn't have any shovels or trees, but the guides brought some up. And as you can see here, he's digging the hole with a machete. And then each of us got to plant a sapling. And actually, I got to plant two, maybe because I traveled from the furthest. But it was a worthwhile experience. We got to plant these trees up alongside and along the edge of the trail. And it made the hike even more worthwhile. So most of this hiking group was females, and I noticed myself getting a little bit popular with them as the hike went along. Not because of my devilishly handsome looks, but because I had the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which takes great photos, and Filipinos love their photos. So myself and our guide Choi ended up taking a lot of photos.